So what's up on you people, this is Mama Sajidz and you guys watching Sajidz Tech, and here in this video I'm gonna show you an awesome explained things by which you can now also use the dark theme in your Instagram account. So here it is guys, your Instagram account looks like in the white mode, and here it's not in the dark version, but here some people use it by some third-party apps to make it in the dark version here. But here in this video I'm gonna show you an awesome tricks by which you can make your Instagram in the dark version without using any third-party apps or without do nothing. So how you can do this in this video guys, I'm gonna show you in the easiest tricks. So without further ado, let's get start that video with you guys. Before just starting that, I request you please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get all the notification in the future. And if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start that video with you guys. Okay, here guys, to do this, first of all you need to go to in the settings of your Android mobile phone. So from here now you need to go to in the display, and from here you need to go to on the dark mode, or here you can instantly search the dark mode in your mobile phone like that. Go to the search bar and go to in the dark mode, and here it is guys, here you will get the dark mode, and from here now you can click on the dark mode to turn your mobile phone in the dark mode is there. And here you can also make it a scheduling that from which time to which time you want to turn it in the dark mode, or you can make it for lifetime in the dark mode is here too. And now here it is, your whole mobile phone turned into the dark mode is there. Here each and every settings of your mobile phone has just turned into the black mode is there. And in that case now here your Instagram account is also in the dark mode is here guys. You can see that here my Instagram account has just get in the dark mode. But here guys, to do this, if you haven't any dark mode installed in your mobile phone, that time you can't do it in your Instagram account, because here the background of your Instagram account has just get transparent there, and whenever you just turn it your Android mobile phone in the dark mode, that time only it occurs, and without it here you will not turn the dark mode of your Instagram account in your Android mobile phone. So here it is guys, this is the only tricks by which you can turn your Instagram account into the dark mode without using any third-party app. But if you haven't any dark mode settings in your mobile phone but still now you want to do this, please watch that video which is get in the I button there. So here it is guys, this is the tricks for you guys. So I hope you just like that tricks there. So guys, if you just like that tricks and get that tricks work there, that time I request you please give a like that video, comment below on this video, share this video with your friends. So guys, no more today, I have to go for my next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.